Picture this. Your alarm goes off, you grab your phone, and see that list of things you need to do today. And there it is, that one task staring back at you like a monster under your bed. Maybe it's homework you've been avoiding. Maybe it's cleaning your room or calling someone back. Your mind starts making deals with itself. I'll do it after lunch. I'll start tomorrow. I just need to check social media first. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody tells you. Waiting for the perfect moment is like waiting for a unicorn. It's never coming. But I'm gonna show you exactly how to beat this. How to make yourself do the hard stuff even when your brain is screaming no. 1. Know why your brain fights you. Your brain has one job: keep you safe and comfy. It doesn't care about your goals or dreams. It just wants easy street, all day, every day. Think of your brain like a lazy friend who always says, let's just stay home and watch TV instead. That's why starting is always the worst part. Once you get moving, it's not nearly as bad as you thought. It's like getting into a cold shower. You stand there forever, thinking about how awful it's going to be. But the second you step in, your body handles it just fine. 2. The tiny start trick. Here's a game changer. Tell yourself you only have to do something for 1 minute, just 60 seconds. That's it. Don't worry about finishing everything. Just start. Write one sentence of that essay. Do 5 jumping jacks. Read 1 page. Why does this work so well? Because your brain can't argue with 1 minute. And once you start, something magical happens. You build momentum. Most of the time, you'll keep going way past that minute. 3. Stop asking if you want to. Think about taking a shower. You don't wake up and have a long conversation with yourself about whether you feel like showering today. You just do it. That's exactly how you need to treat your hard tasks. Don't give yourself the option to say no. Instead of, do I want to work out? Just say, I work out on Mondays. Change your story about yourself. Stop being someone who struggles to do hard things. Start being someone who just does them. Period. 4. Build your support system. Willpower is like a phone battery. It runs out fast. If you're trying to make the right choice every single time, you're going to fail. So don't rely on willpower. Make the right choice the easy choice. Want to exercise? Put your workout clothes next to your bed. Need to study? Clear your desk and put your books there the night before. Make starting so simple that it's harder to avoid than to just do it. 5. The magic countdown. When you feel that voice in your head saying, maybe later, try this. Count backward from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then move your body immediately. This stops your brain from talking you out of it. You're giving yourself a tiny window to just act before doubt sneaks back in. 6. Earn your treats. Your brain loves rewards. Use that to your advantage. Tell yourself, after I finish this, I get to have that snack. Or, after I clean my room, I can watch my show. But here's the key. Never give yourself the reward first. If you eat the snack and then say you'll start working, your brain learns that avoiding work gets rewarded. Always action first, then reward. 7. Make friends with uncomfortable. Most people run away from anything that feels hard or weird. But here's a secret. Every time you do something uncomfortable, you're getting stronger. Instead of thinking, this sucks, try thinking, this is making me better, or this is what winners do when nobody's watching. The people who succeed aren't the ones who feel motivated all the time. They're the ones who show up even when they don't feel like it. At the end of the day, what separates people who achieve their goals from those who don't isn't luck or talent. It's this simple ability: doing what needs to be done, even when you really don't want to. So the next time you feel that voice telling you to wait, remember this. Just start. 1 minute is enough. Don't ask if you want to. Build systems that help you win. Use the countdown, earn your rewards, and make peace with feeling uncomfortable. Hard things don't get easier, you just get tougher. Now stop watching videos about it and go do that thing you've been avoiding. Your future self will thank you.